Stan Gibilisco here with a little amateur radio tale. That's T-A-L-E. Proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1, GV, Whiskey 1, Golf, Victor, if you want to be technical about it, Whiskey 1, Good Vibrations, if you want to be Gibiliskian about it. The story goes way back to my high school or college days. I believe it was college. Probably in the mid-1970s. And my roommate and I used to go home sometimes. That was to Rochester, Minnesota, and operate his station and make contacts on voice. That's right. Single sideband voice. And I remember one time he was saying, the name here is Don. Dog, then a hesitation, Odious Nancy. Dog, Odious Nancy. Don. And I broke out laughing. I just couldn't help myself. Maybe CW operators need lessons in how to operate phone. Well, I don't really need any such lessons because my microphone in my current radio, which is over 10 years old, has never even been used. It still hangs on the wall today, but technically, back then, the old phonetics were Dog, Oscar, Nancy. Today, they would be Delta, Ocean, November. As for Stan, that is Sierra, Tango. You know what? I forget. That's a CW operator for you. Sierra, Tango, Alpha, November. Back then it might have been, I don't even know. There was an old phonetic alphabet and a new phonetic alphabet. And of course today we use the new one. But never was odious the phonetic for the letter O. And I just thought that was hilarious because, oh well, I won't get into that. I won't get into that at all. I just thought you'd enjoy hearing that, especially if you're a CW operator and you like to make fun of phone operators. That is to say, single sideband or FM voice ham radio operation. Stan Gibilisco, W1GV, Whiskey 1, Good Vibrations. Not grapevine or green, I don't know. You can think up a million ones for GV, but technically Golf Victor just doesn't cut it. But I didn't get that for phone. I got that for CW, so that I could just drop da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da in the right place at the right time in a pile-up and crack it with 10 watts. And so it was. And so it has been from time to time. Until next time, 73, which means best regards in ham radio jargon, and da-da-da-da-da-da. So long.